Camping has never been more exciting, but it has also never been more dependent on smart gear. Whether you're heading into the mountains, exploring remote forests, or setting up camp far from civilization, having the right gadgets can mean the difference between a memorable adventure and a dangerous situation. Modern technology has transformed outdoor survival, giving campers access to compact devices that can provide clean water, emergency power, weather alerts, navigation assistance, and even life-saving communication when cell service disappears. In today's countdown, we're looking at 15 life-saving gadgets every camper should carry. These aren't gimmicks or unnecessary accessories. Each item on this list offers real-world benefits that can help keep you safe, connected, and prepared in the wild. Starting at number 15 and working our way to number 1, let's discover the survival gear every modern adventurer should consider packing. Number 15. Garmin inReach Messenger Plus. One of the most important pieces of equipment any camper can carry in 2026 is the Garmin inReach Messenger Plus. While smartphones have become incredibly powerful, they still depend on cellular networks that often disappear once you enter remote wilderness areas. The Garmin inReach Messenger Plus solves that problem by using satellite communication technology, allowing users to stay connected almost anywhere on Earth. Whether you're hiking through dense forests, crossing mountain ranges, or camping deep in the backcountry, this device can send and receive messages even when there is no cell service available. The most important feature is its emergency SOS capability. If an accident occurs and you need immediate assistance, pressing the SOS button connects you to a global emergency response center that can coordinate rescue efforts. This feature alone has already helped save countless outdoor adventurers. In situations where every minute matters, being able to communicate your location to rescuers can be life-saving. Another major advantage is location sharing. Family members can track your progress, giving loved ones peace of mind during extended outdoor trips. The device also provides weather forecasts delivered via satellite, helping campers prepare for incoming storms before conditions become dangerous. Built to withstand rugged outdoor environments, the Garmin inReach Messenger Plus offers excellent battery life and a durable design that can handle rough conditions. Its compact size means it easily fits into a backpack without adding significant weight. For solo campers especially, carrying a reliable satellite communicator is no longer considered a luxury. It's increasingly viewed as an essential safety tool. Number 14. BioLite Charge 100 Max Power Bank. Power has become one of the most important resources in modern camping. From GPS devices and satellite communicators to headlamps and smartphones, nearly every essential tool depends on battery life. The BioLite Charge 100 Max is designed to ensure that critical equipment remains operational when you need it most. Unlike ordinary power banks, this rugged outdoor battery is built specifically for campers and emergency preparedness. Featuring a high-capacity battery and fast-charging technology, it can recharge multiple devices several times before needing a recharge itself. During emergencies, maintaining power for navigation apps, emergency beacons, and communication devices can be the difference between finding help and being stranded. Its weather-resistant construction makes it suitable for harsh outdoor conditions, including rain, dust, and temperature fluctuations. The power bank also includes advanced battery management systems that prevent overheating and maximize efficiency. For extended camping trips, pairing it with a portable solar panel creates a sustainable off-grid power solution. Many campers underestimate how quickly batteries drain in cold weather, making backup power even more critical. In a world where essential survival tools increasingly rely on electricity, having a dependable power source isn't simply convenient, it's a safety necessity. The BioLite Charge 100 Max earns its place as one of the smartest investments modern campers can make. Number 13. Grayl GeoPress Titanium Water Purifier. Access to safe drinking water is one of the most fundamental survival requirements. The Grayl GeoPress Titanium Water Purifier allows campers to transform questionable water sources into safe drinking water within seconds. Streams, lakes, rivers, and even muddy water sources can contain bacteria, viruses, and parasites capable of causing severe illness. Unlike traditional filters that require pumping or squeezing, the GeoPress uses a simple press-action purification system. Users fill the outer container, press downward, and receive purified water in less than a minute. This ease of use makes it especially valuable during emergencies when speed matters. Its titanium construction provides exceptional durability while keeping weight manageable for backpackers. The Purifier removes viruses, bacteria, protozoa, microplastics, chemicals, and sediment, making it one of the most comprehensive portable purification systems available. Dehydration can become life-threatening quickly during outdoor adventures. Having immediate access to safe water significantly reduces risk and allows campers to travel more confidently through remote environments. Whether you're dealing with unexpected route changes or limited water supplies, the GeoPress provides peace of mind that clean drinking water is never far away. Number 12. Nightcore NU50 Headlamp. Darkness creates hazards that many campers underestimate. The Nightcore NU50 headlamp transforms nighttime navigation, emergency response, and campsite safety. Modern LED technology provides incredibly bright illumination while maintaining impressive battery efficiency. Unlike handheld flashlights, a headlamp keeps both hands free for climbing, setting up shelters, administering first aid, or preparing food. The NU50 offers multiple lighting modes, including high output beams, red light preservation mode, and emergency strobe functions. In emergency situations, visibility often determines the outcome. A twisted ankle, wildlife encounter, or sudden storm after sunset becomes much easier to manage with dependable lighting. The rechargeable battery provides extended runtime, ensuring light remains available throughout long nights. Its lightweight design minimizes fatigue while remaining comfortable for extended wear. Weather-resistant construction ensures reliability during rain and harsh environmental conditions. Many outdoor accidents occur after dark. Carrying a powerful headlamp dramatically reduces risk while improving overall safety and confidence. For that reason, the Nightcore NU50 deserves a place in every camper's pack. Number 11. Thermacell E55 Mosquito Repeller. Mosquitoes are more than just an annoyance. In many regions, they can carry diseases and significantly impact sleep quality, which is essential for maintaining energy and awareness outdoors. The Thermacell E55 creates a protective zone around campers by releasing a scent-free repellent that keeps mosquitoes away without sprays or messy chemicals on skin. Rechargeable and portable, it provides hours of protection with minimal maintenance. Sleep deprivation can impair judgment and decision-making, increasing accident risk. By reducing insect pressure, campers enjoy better rest and greater comfort. The E55 is particularly valuable in humid environments where mosquito populations thrive. Unlike candles or smoky repellents, it operates quietly and efficiently. The result is a safer, more comfortable camping experience that allows adventurers to focus on enjoying the outdoors rather than swatting insects. Number 10. EcoFlow River 3 Portable Power Station. For extended adventures, a simple power bank may not be enough. The EcoFlow River 3 offers significantly larger energy storage capable of powering essential devices, medical equipment, lighting systems, and emergency electronics. This portable power station features fast charging, multiple output options, and compatibility with solar panels. During emergencies, it can keep communication systems operational for days rather than hours. Its compact design balances portability with performance, making it suitable for car camping and off-grid exploration. When severe weather strikes or unexpected delays occur, reliable power becomes a crucial safety asset. For campers who rely on technology for navigation, weather updates, and communication, the EcoFlow River 3 provides an additional layer of preparedness that can prove invaluable. Number 9. Lifesaver Wayfarer Water Filter. The Lifesaver Wayfarer offers another powerful solution for emergency hydration. Designed for rugged environments, it removes harmful contaminants while maintaining high flow rates. Unlike many compact filters that struggle with heavy use, the Wayfarer is engineered for long-term reliability. It can process thousands of liters before replacement becomes necessary. In survival situations, water availability often determines success or failure. This filter ensures campers can safely utilize natural water sources throughout extended trips. Its compact design and easy operation make it a favorite among serious outdoor enthusiasts and preparedness experts. Number 8. Garmin Montana 710 GPS Navigator. Getting lost remains one of the most common outdoor emergencies. The Garmin Montana 710 provides advanced GPS navigation designed specifically for wilderness travel. Large maps, route planning features, waypoint tracking, and exceptional battery performance make it a dependable companion for remote adventures. Unlike smartphones, it remains effective in harsh weather and rugged terrain. Accurate navigation prevents dangerous detours, conserves energy, and helps campers reach safety efficiently. For anyone exploring unfamiliar regions, dedicated GPS navigation remains one of the smartest safety investments available. Number 7. BioLite Fire Pit Plus. Fire provides warmth, cooking capability, and psychological comfort during emergencies. The BioLite Fire Pit Plus modernizes this ancient survival tool through improved efficiency and reduced smoke production. Its integrated airflow system creates cleaner burns while maximizing fuel efficiency. Campers can cook meals, stay warm, and maintain morale without excessive smoke irritating eyes and lungs. During cold weather emergencies, maintaining body temperature becomes critical. A dependable fire system can significantly improve survival prospects while enhancing overall campsite comfort. Number 6. Midland ER310 Emergency Radio. Information saves lives. The Midland ER310 emergency radio delivers weather alerts, emergency broadcasts, and critical updates when conventional communication networks fail. Powered through solar charging, hand cranking, or batteries, it remains operational even during prolonged emergencies. Built-in flashlight and device charging capabilities add further versatility. When severe weather approaches, early warnings provide valuable time to seek shelter and make informed decisions. This radio remains one of the most practical emergency tools campers can carry. Number 5. Flexdale Tiny Pump X. Small but incredibly useful, the Flexdale Tiny Pump X serves as an air pump, lantern, and emergency backup light. Its compact size makes it easy to carry while providing multiple essential functions. Inflating sleeping pads quickly reduces setup effort and conserves energy. Integrated lighting improves visibility around camp, while rechargeable operation enhances convenience. Multi-purpose tools maximize preparedness while minimizing pack weight, making this gadget particularly valuable for backpackers. Number 4. Night Buddy Rechargeable Headlamp. The Night Buddy combines ultra-bright illumination with wide-angle lighting technology. Unlike traditional headlamps that focus on narrow beams, it illuminates broader areas for safer movement. This expanded visibility reduces trip hazards and improves awareness of surroundings. Long battery life ensures dependable performance throughout multi-day adventures. For campers navigating difficult terrain after dark, superior visibility can significantly reduce accident risk. Number 3. ACR Rescue Link AIS Personal Locator Beacon. When life-threatening emergencies occur, few tools are more valuable than a personal locator beacon. The ACR Rescue Link AIS transmits distress signals directly to rescue authorities, dramatically improving rescue response times. Unlike subscription-based devices, locator beacons operate through internationally recognized emergency systems. Once activated, they communicate precise location data to search and rescue teams. For remote expeditions where help may be hours or days away, this device can literally save lives. Number 2. Jackery Solar Saga 100W Solar Panel. Renewable power can transform emergency preparedness. The Jackery Solar Saga 100W provides reliable off-grid energy generation capable of charging power stations, batteries, and communication equipment. Its foldable design makes transport simple while offering excellent efficiency. During extended trips or unexpected delays, solar power provides independence from traditional electrical infrastructure. Maintaining power for navigation and emergency communication dramatically improves survival readiness. Number 1. Garmin inReach Mini 2. The number one life-saving gadget every camper should carry is the Garmin inReach Mini 2. Combining satellite communication, emergency SOS functionality, navigation assistance, weather forecasting, and location sharing into one lightweight package, it delivers unmatched safety benefits. Its compact size makes it easy to carry everywhere, while its global satellite network ensures communication remains possible in places where phones become useless. Whether facing injury, severe weather, or becoming lost, the ability to request help and share your exact location can mean the difference between rescue and disaster. For modern campers, no single gadget provides more comprehensive protection. That's why the Garmin inReach Mini 2 earns the top spot on our list of life-saving gadgets every camper should carry.